Hari Om, myself Kalabhu. Today I am briefly explaining the topic Gunasiddhanta in Dinacharya. Dine Dinacharya is Dinacharya. The activities which are we doing regularly in Pratidina are included in the Dinacharyas. Maintaining the healthy and positive life and also balancing the tridoshas in our body, one can necessarily follow the Dinacharyas, which are explained by the many acharyas in their Samhitas. Dantadamana is also one of the activities which is included in the daily regimens. How and when we do the brushing and also what are the substances which are we using for the brushing are explained in the Ashtanga Hridaya by the Vagbhata Acharya. Ashtanga Hridayakara explains the Dantadamana by the shloka as follows. Artha Negrodha Kadira Karanja Kakuba Bijam Pratar Bhuktva Cha Mudvagram Kashaya Katu Tiktakam Kani Negrodha Samastavyam Sukurcham Dvadasha Angulam Bakshaya Dantadavanam Danta Mamsa Nanya Badayat. Means Acharya explains that early in the morning and after taking the food one can do the brushing without causing any injury to the gums because kapha is increases in the early morning and also immediately after taking the food in our body. Hence by using the Kashaya Katu Tikta Rasas one can balancing the doshas in our body. The correlation of the rasa with the dosha, for that one we got the reference in the Ashtanga Hridaya by the shloka as follows. Tatradya Maratam Minanti Trayastiktadaya Kapam Kashaya Tikta Maduram Pittam Annitu Purvate. By the above shloka we can conclude that Kashaya Katu Tikta Rasasa which are helpful for the Vatavardhaka and Kaphara in our body. The gunas like Rukshatva, Vishadatva and the Lagutva are increases by taking these rasas, and also snigdhatva is decreases in our body. By using the katu rasas, one can do the pittavardhaka in our body that causes the tikshnatva, ushnatva and lagutva increases in our body. Hence, Acharya explains some plants which having a mainly kashaya katu pitta rasas which are helpful for the balancing the doshas in our body. These are Calotropis procera which having a gunas like lagutva, tikshnatva and Rukshatva. The rasas which are present in these plants are Katu and Tikta which are helpful for the Kaphara in our body. Ficus bengalensis and Acacia ketechu which having a gunas like Lagutva and Rukshatva, and the rasas which are present in these plants are Tikta and Kashaya which are helpful for the Kapha and Pittahara in our body. Pongyamina Pinnata which having a gunas like Lagutva and Tikshnatva, and the rasas which are present in these plants are Kashaya Katu Tikta which helpful for the Kapha and Vatahara in our body. Finally, Terminalia Arjuna which having a gunas like Lagutva and Rukshatva, and the rasas which are present in these plants are Kashaya which helpful for the Kapha and Pittahara in our body. And also Acharya explains some herbs which are used as a twigs for the brushing of the teeth are Lilium indicum which having a gunas like Lagutva, Tikshnatva and Ushnatva, and the rasas which are present in these plants are Kashaya Katu Tikta which helpful for the Kapha and Vatahara in our body. And also explains Veteria indicum, Acacia farnacea, Acaranthus aspera, and finally Jasminium brodiflorum which having a gunas like Lagutva, Snigdhatva, Mrudutva, and the rasas which are present in this plant are Kashaya Katu Tikta which helpful for the Tridosha Nashaka in our body. Acharya also explains the fine powder of the Trikatu, Trifala, Trijataka drugs are mixed with the honey. The paste of these drugs and also using the twigs for the brushing of the teeth without causing any injury to the gums. The twigs must be 12 cm long and it having a circumference as same that as of the little finger, and it is straight, soft and devoid of nodes. Acharya also explains after one can do the brushing, Kavana and Gandusha are recommended for the mouth hygiene. Finally, the Acharya explains the people who are suffering from some diseases are contraindicated for the cleaning of the teeth. Ashtanga Hridayakara says by the shlokas as follows. Nadyada Ajirna Vamatu Shvasa Tasa Jvara Ardhita Trishna Asyapaka Runnetra Shiraha Karanamai Chatat means the from the indigestion, cough, dyspnea, facial paralysis, thirst, and diseases which are related to the heart, head, eyes, and ears are associated with the imbalance of the vatas. And the gunas like brukshatva, dryness, khara, irritation and inflammation, vishada, cleanliness, lagutva, lack of nutrition and moisture in the body, and chala, irregular movements, all together create the environment to cause these diseases. And finally, vomiting and fever are associated with the imbalance of the pitta, and the gunas like dravatva, saratva, ushnatva and krishnatva are all together create the disease condition in our body.